Mount Vernon East today. So we're going to call this Best of Mount Vernon because this truly is one of the best one-bedrooms that you'll see in Mount Vernon. Take a look at this spacious living room. This living room is huge. Beautiful hardwood floors. You've got one walk-in closet that's quite deep as you walk in the apartment. And another. These are just in the living room area now. So let's take a look back at the kitchen that we passed by. This is a very large, sun-drenched eat-in kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Room for table and chairs. Let's work our way back through this big living room again as we go to the bedroom. We're not talking about a bedroom that can fit a queen-size bed here. We're talking a bedroom that can fit a king, 2 nightstands, and a dresser. Great light fixtures here too. But look, this is not a studio right over here. This is a walk-in closet. Look at all the shelf space that's built in, overhead storage. This is on the 2nd floor of a very well-managed and maintained building. Let's take a look at this bathroom here. Again, a lot of shelf space built. Nice light fixtures again. Laundry in the building, live-in super in the building, a great landlord, 2nd floor walk up, and so much space. This could be your next home. Come on down, take a look at it, let us show it to you, and thanks for watching.